Hello. Welcome, guys. Welcome to this session of our IPO. All right, the IPOs for the week of March the 22nd, 2021. Okay, and now, what is an IPO? An IPO is an initial public offering. Refers to the process of offering the shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance, according to Investopedia.com. Alright, so companies must meet the requirement by exchanges and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to hold an initial public offering. It will give the company the opportunity to obtain capital by offering shares through the primary market. That is what an IPO is. An IPO as well can be seen as an exit strategy for the company's founders and early investors, realizing the full potential of profit from their private placement. Anyways, that is the simple definition, simple explanation of an IPO. Companies raising money, continuing their businesses and going to the public. So, in this case, there is a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only, because investing involves risk. Okay? These are my opinions, and you may win or you may lose money. So, let's get to it. The first IPO for this week. The week is going to be really busy. So, I am prepared for it, and I'm looking forward to this IPO. At the end of this video, I will put up a slide. And the slide contains everything and the underwriters as well. So it will help you to understand who are the underwriters. Okay? So now, the first one is going to be ACVA. Alright? ACVA is an auction company. Alright? It's an auction company with a 16.6 million shares priced between $18 and $20 per share, with an estimated volume of 315 million, and it will be trading on the 24th. Next one is going to be Digital Ocean Holdings. Ocean Holdings is the manager. We have Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Barclays Bank, JPM Securities. So meaning this is going to be good. So I'm keeping my eye on Digital Ocean. And one may say, what do they do? Okay? We want to know what this company does and why are they being listed, or why do they want to IPO. Listen, DigitalOcean is a leading cloud computing platform offering on-demand infrastructure and platform tools for developers, startups, and small or medium-sized businesses. Now we know, right? One thing you have to understand about this company, their net income is $44 million. they're losing, but their revenue is at 318 with a market cap of 4 billion. Okay, next one is gonna be DRS, Leonardo DRS Incorporation. This is a 31.9 million shares and is priced between $20 and $22 per share. And what would say, why Leonardo company? They are also offering an estimated volume of about 670 million as out of today. Expected to trade on the 25th of this month. Next one is going to be ALHC. This is sponsored, not really sponsored, but the manager is Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Bank of America. This will be hot. This one. Alignment Healthcare Incorporation. 24.5 million shares, which is not much. It's going to be priced between $17 and $19, which is still decent price range. But by the time this come out, you're going to be talking about $30 per share actually. You know, it's going to be trading on the 25th, and the 25th is on Thursday. On Thursday is going to be busy for IPO. Next one is going to be CRCT. Clicker. It's 15.3 million shares with a $20 and $22 per share priced between. The volume is going to be 321 million. Okay, and it's going to be priced on Thursday as well. Next one is going to be DSEY. We have a 46.2 million shares between 18 and 21 shares. So the same thing is going to be, you know, we have Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, Barclays, and JP Morgan on this one. Okay, and you may ask again, what do they do? The mission is to protect and care for people through leading hygiene, infection prevention, cleaning solutions. But they are losing money. Negative 38 million. So this is so. Next one is gonna be LVTX. LVTX is a therapeutic company. They have negative 14 million for the last 12 months. Revenue is 3 million for the last 12 months with a 380 million market cap. And this is in company is based in Netherlands. All right, they are It says they are biotechnology company focused on transforming cancer treatment by developing a platform of novel biospecific antibodies designed to selectively induce gamma delta T cell mediated immunity against tumor cells. That is what this company is for. 6.7 million shares between $18 and $16 per share. This should get a kick. Next one is OLK, Olink Holdings. Woohoo! Well, for Olink Holdings is backed by Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and of course SVB Leerink. Okay, as of now, we don't have much details about this company other than their 2 billion market cap, revenue of 54 million for the last 12 months with a negative about $6.8 million. All right, next one is gonna be SEMR. So SEMR, what do they do? What are their focus? They said We are the leading online visibility management software as a service platform. So, let's look at the books. They have a negative of 7 million for the last 12 months, revenue of $124.88 million for the last 12, with a 2 billion market cap. Managers: Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Jefferies, all right, even Piper and Stifel as the co-managers. So keep an eye on this one. It's 16.8 million shares, between 14 and 16 per share, with estimated volume of 252 on Thursday as well. On Thursday, guess what we have? TV. We have Visio Holdings. Okay? It's like all the Samsung, Toshiba, all these companies. This one is Visio. It's being backed by the managers of JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo Securities, Guggenheim, Needham, Piper, Roth Capitals. So, we have 15.1 million shares with a $21 and $23 between. So, this is going to be tough. This is going to be really interesting to watch what they do. Okay? So the company is driving the future of television through our integrated platform of cutting-edge smart TVs, which of course I've seen. Some of them not good, but some of them are still okay. Okay. So long as you can browse online with your TV, I'm all up for it. So it will be tough, and let's see what the books are talking about. Net income is $102 million for the last 12 months. This is going to be hot because why? They're making money. They have positive net income. They have good revenues of $2 billion, and the market cap is at $4 billion. So I will keep my eye closely on this one. And the criteria for an IPO: minimum of 1 million shares traded in the first 1 minute. That is the criteria. Okay? That is the criteria. There are other criteria, but that is the main one, because you don't want an IPO to come in and you have, say, 10,000 shares traded. You want minimum of 1 million shares. Okay, 1 million shares traded. Okay, the first 1 minute. Next one is HYW. HYW, what do they do? For me, I'm not into this company. The reason why is because I do not like, not that I don't like, but I'm not a fan of the underwriters or the managers. We have Network One Financial Securities. I haven't heard of them. Valuable Capital. I haven't heard of them. However, we have $15 million for the last 12 months in net income. Revenues is $182 million in the last 12 months. So we shall see. Though they are Chinese company. Alright. We have 3.8 million, very low. And we have pricing between 10 and 12 per share with a 41.8. So we shall see how this trades. Alright. It will be traded on Friday, which is the 26th, okay, of March. Next one is going to be TradeUp. TradeUp is having a 12 million shares, price between $12 and $14 per share, with 156 million estimated volume. What do we do, or what do they do? They are to inspire the next generation of consumers to think secondhand first. What did that even mean? Enabling a generation of new buyers to effortlessly find high quality secondhand items from brands that they love at an incredible price. Well, just say, use stuff. Okay? And they are pretty much internet and mobile, apparel company. Employees about 1862, founded in 2009, and is based off of California. They have a net income of about 50 million for the last 12 months, 106 revenue with a market cap of 1.1 billion. So the managers are Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Barclays. So it should pick up with a 12 million and a with a 12 million shares, and between 12 and 14, we should get a kick. And then the last but not the least, this one, ZH. We have managers as Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Credit Suisse. This, of course, is a Chinese company with a negative 79 million net income with a revenue of 207. Of course, 5.8 billion market capital or market cap. So, what do they do? It's the largest Q&A inspired online community and one of the top comprehensive online content communities in China. Okay, so they are pretty much recognized as the most trustworthy online content community in China. Okay, and employees 1651, 2011 the business was founded. Okay, so now I will give you the lists of all. Voila, IPO calendar for the week. Okay, so we have all these, and I will keep my eye on this one, this, okay, this one, that one, not this one, a little bit of that, but yeah. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on this, and all these IPO is I have my IPO portfolio, so I go for maybe like 100 shares or 50 shares or 20 shares, 10 shares or 5 shares, depending on how they are priced and how they are open. I'm not really buying like 1 million shares. Okay, I'm just buying based on my portfolio size. Even if it's 5 shares, that is fine. If you buy 5 shares maybe at $20, and what if the stock decide to push up 10 points? So you have your 5 times 10, which will pretty much give you $50. Nothing wrong with your 5 shares going 10 points and you're making $50. Okay, I don't think you're gonna see someone on the street who is gonna say, hey, come here, yeah, it's a $50. No. Okay, so it doesn't matter your share size. It doesn't matter if you're going with 1 share. I don't think they will go with fraction at that initial public offering, but anyways, go with 1 share, 2 share, 3 shares, 10 shares, whatever your portfolio allows. Okay, you don't need to have billions and thousands and millions of dollars to buy, to get into an IPO. So I want to say thanks. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you have any concerns, questions, just type in the comment section, email me, whatever you like to watch, whatever stocks you want me to look at. I'm open. We can discuss it, we can talk about it. I have no problem. Okay, it is free. We can talk about it, we can chat about it, we can discuss about it. I am very much open. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye bye.